Bridging, arching, sticking to sides, rat-holing. 80% of storage vessels don't operate at full capacity because they can't move the material fast enough. But hammers won't help you hit your targets. Get the proven solution for tough flow problems. AirSweep. AirSweep frees clogged materials with powerful bursts of high-pressure, high-volume air. It pushes stalled material in bins, silos, and chutes back into the flow stream. It flushes mixers, ribbon blenders, and hoppers until they're completely clean and ready for your next batch. AirSweep is powerful. Each unit activates up to 8 feet diameter of material and typically only uses 10 CFM of plant air. That's a bigger effective diameter than fluidizers and half of the energy of vibrators and knockers. AirSweep doesn't dent vessels like hammers or cause wear, tear, and metal fatigue like vibrators. And it's definitely a lot quieter. We said... There. Hear the AirSweep? Neither do we. AirSweep is also designed for easy maintenance and minimum downtime. The patented nozzle immediately reseals after each pulse, eliminating material feedback. It won't degrade like fluidizing discs, and you don't need to shut down your plant to clean bin walls, a common issue with vibrators and air knockers. AirSweep only needs to be inspected every 1 million cycles, and the main body of the AirSweep has a warranty of 7 years. Once you install it, you can walk away and focus on other parts of the plant. AirSweep will probably be working even after you retire. So what materials can AirSweep handle? AirSweep flushes ultrafine powders and slices through sticky materials better than any other material flow aid. Fluidizers can only activate light materials that respond to gentle aeration. Vibrators can actually compact most materials. AirSweep cuts through even the thickest, wettest material, like liquid cheese. That's why AirSweep is being used in all industries around the world. Food and agriculture, mining, chemicals, and everything else from construction to personal care. Our engineers will customize your AirSweep solution. The best nozzle size, the best finish, from high-grade steel to special materials for high-heat environments, or USDA-approved models that meet the food industry's strictest sanitary requirements. We can even pair AirSweep with our sonic activation system, AcousticLean, and our DASIC zero-speed switches to prevent blocks, buildup, and material pileup. We've worked with some of the biggest companies and thousands of small companies around the globe. Our customers have seen amazing results, and so can you. Contact us to find out more about AirSweep.